Hello and how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to take Adderall tablets sublingually. Some of the advantages to taking Adderall sublingually over orally is that it's going to kick in faster, it could kick in stronger, but the main reason that I'm going to be doing this is because a lot of us that take Adderall regularly get severe digestive issues from it, like gas pains, diarrhea. So we're gonna just look for a way to bypass this. Now, by taking it sublingually, it's gonna go straight into the bloodstream through the membranes under your tongue, as opposed to through your digestive tract inside of your stomach. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our pill and we are going to put it under our tongue until it completely dissolves. We're not going to bite it, we're not going to chew it, or even really suck on it that hard for that matter. We're just going to let it dissolve. Once it dissolves, then we're going to set a 5-minute timer, keep that mucus inside of your mouth, and then you're going to swallow it after those 10 minutes. And you'll find that when you swallow it, then it's not nearly as strong tasting as it is when it first dissolves in your mouth, and barely any of that is actually going to make it into the stomach. At that point, most of it's already been absorbed by the body. So here we go. Under the tongue. So yeah, I'm just chilling here on my tongue. If you have the blue tablets, most likely your entire mouth is going to turn blue, and your teeth may be a little bit too. So I suggest if you take your medication in the morning, do this after you brush your teeth. The reason I say after is because if you do it before, any plaque or like film in your mouth and your tongue, it's gonna all gather the dye a lot better than if you have a nice clean mouth. So again, don't swallow it. And yeah, you can see my teeth are already coming nice and blue. Alright, so I'm just speeding things up right now because you don't want to sit here this entire time. So after it has dissolved, you're going to want to set a 5-minute timer. So at this point in time, I have dissolved the pill. So now I'm just keeping the saliva in my mouth, trying to keep it under my tongue. So that's like what's going on right now. So now I'm just going on my phone, chilling, doing I have no idea what. And here we are in the final 10 seconds of our escapade. All right, guys, so that's just about it. We're done now. Our teeth are a little bit blue, like Kool-Aid, and it looks like we were like sucking off a Smurf or something, but that's how you do it. And hopefully that'll give you a lot less digestive issues. Hopefully it doesn't kick in too fast or make you feel too energized. But I personally have not experienced that at all, so I don't think you will either. Again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all later. Peace out, guys.